Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you the best software to get phone numbers for sellers. So say you've got a list of motivated sellers and now you want to text message them or you want to give them a call. Where are you going to get your phone numbers? The number one place, the number one company for this is batchleads.io. Go to www.batchleads.io. This is where I get all of my phone numbers. I have actually tested other companies against their data and they are always the best. They give me the most accurate data and the most data when I have a list compared to their competition. One thing a lot of people don't realize how data even works. Where do these companies get these phone numbers? Let me tell you what makes Batch Leads different. So all of these companies that offer skip tracing services get their data usually from another data house, a data mining company like Atom Data or CoreLogic. Companies that only sell the data in a version that is not really usable to an end user like us. They sell it to a company like Batch, and then Batch has, a software that makes that unusable data into something usable for us in a software platform. So the difference between Batch is they don't just go to one data house. They go to multiple. They cross-reference. So they are really getting you the best. If one data house doesn't have the right cell phone number, another one will. And what I've found is other softwares that offer skip tracing, they only go to one data house. So you can understand that the data is not always going to be correct or they're not going to have the most available to them. That's why I think Batch Leads is the absolute best, and their price is the best as well. If you use my code, I've got a couple discounts for you. So first, you're going to get a discount on all of your skip tracing, and you're also going to get, if you use their list service, 500 free records at first. So you might as well get your 500 free records and you'll get a 7-day free trial. So go to www.batchleads.io and put in the code virtual. And from there, you can access all of their softwares. They have an amazing texting software that I use personally. And I love that it's all just in one spot. I don't have to go to a bunch of different software to accomplish, the same thing. So check it out. I wouldn't be recommending it if I didn't use it myself. Everything that I recommend, I use myself in my company. You have my word on that. So try them out. Tell me what you think. And that's it. Hopefully you guys found this helpful. This is where I get my phone numbers. I trust it, so you can too.